Hi everyone, kamusta na kayo guys? Namaste to all my Nepali brother and sister subscribers. So today guys, we are here now in my friend venue. She invited me to attend her son's birthday. So they are the owner also of this venue, Paul Venue. So may mga ano guys, Filipino food, spaghetti. So yummy, the food is yummy. And if you want to celebrate a birthday of your loved ones or wedding, so you can contact them. They have a page on Facebook. So I enjoy because I met some Filipina here in Nepal, and their husband also is Nepali. So have a nice day everyone. Enjoy, enjoy. Let's eat guys.